To that potentially game-changing news in the fight against obesity, a panel of experts recommended that the Food and Drug Administration approve a new drug that has been shown to reduce weight by as much as 10%. It is new hope for the millions of obese Americans. Almost a third of all adults and 17% of children in this country are obese. Dr. Richard Besser is here to break it all down for us. And 72 million people could potentially be helped by this new drug. How does it work?
Well, you know, it's pretty incredible. It's a combination of two drugs. One is a stimulant drug, which suppresses your appetite. The other is actually a seizure medication, which has as a side effect weight loss. Put these two together and you see a 10% weight loss. Have a look at this young man here. His name is Fraser Hartzell. He took the drug for a year and his weight went from 390 pounds down to 225 pounds in just 1 year.
The drug is called Qnexa, but 2 years ago the FDA refused to approve it, saying it was too dangerous. So what has changed?
Well, you know, when they first looked at this 2 years ago, the big focus was on do you lose weight? And yes, you do. But this time they looked at, well, what are the side effects of obesity? And they're talking about diabetes, heart disease. And they realized that between Weight Watchers and surgery, there's very little to offer people who are not successful losing weight with just diet and exercise. So they said we need to provide a drug that people can use.
So what were the side effects they were worried about 2 years ago, and are they gone now?
No, I mean, this is why they didn't approve the drug in the past. Things like increased heart rate, palpitations, kidney stones, memory loss, birth defects. So these are really important side effects, which mean the drug should only be used for people who are truly obese.
So it's not safer, but they now just figure the side effects are worth it because obesity has become such an epidemic in this country?
That's right. That's right. Now, the FDA has to decide, are they going to go along with this committee? They have until April 17th to do that. I think one of the big things we're going to see is restrictions to keep it away from pregnant women because of the birth defects, to try and limit it to people who are truly obese. And then hopefully they're going to require a long-term safety study.
You know, this is such a hard thing for the FDA to approve. It's been 10 years since we had a drug approved. Fen-phen was removed from the market, and half of this drug had one of the ingredients of fen-phen, right?
That's right. And with fen-phen, we didn't know about those problems until it was used in millions of people for a long time. So we got to watch out for this one too.
All right, Rich Besser, thanks so much. In promising hope for a lot of people who
I think there's
suffer
hope
from
here.
obesity. Okay, great. Thanks so much.